I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle,
hey.
a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something so simple. We are going to make some simple garlic mashed potatoes. Yes, we are. And today is a wonderful video. I am doing a collab with two fabulous content creators, Miss B Sugar and Finest Wine Cooking. Yes, they are some lovely people. So once you are done watching this video, go on over and check out Miss B Sugar and Finest Wine Cooking. All right, so we're going to get into this recipe. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. I am so happy to see new faces and I love having you guys here. So let's get into this video. So here are the ingredients we will be using for this delicious mashed potatoes. It's the holiday, so let's get started. The green onions and the parsley, fresh parsley, is for garnishing. Okay guys, so we have our smashed garlic in the pot. I'm just going to place our potatoes and then we're going to put these in cold water and then we're going to bring to a boil and let our potatoes get tender. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we have our potatoes in some cold water. We're bringing this up to a boil with our smashed garlic. I was watching Sunny Anderson one day, and she said, I used to add salt to this. But she said, don't. She doesn't add salt to her potatoes while it's boiling because it could hinder the cooking time. So I'm going to try it this way today, okay, guys? How do you like your mash potatoes? I like mine's creamy. I don't like lumpy or chunky mashed potatoes, but I know a lot of people who does. So we'll see. I'll be right back. So we know our potatoes is done. And now we're going to heavily come in with some kosher salt. All right, and once we know that our potatoes is done is once we push it in there and it fall off just like that. Just like that, like so. It's done. So now I'm going to pour this in the strainer and then we're going to return this to the pot and move on to the next step of finishing our delicious potatoes. All right, guys, so I turned our pan down to medium low. I have our potato masher here. All right. And then we returned our garlic that's in there. And so we're just going to leave the skins on and get to mashing our potatoes up. Okay. Okay. That's where we going with it. Just start mashing a little bit. Think about these mashes and start getting stuck in there. Just get a knife, butter knife, fork, whatever. Right now, let's start off with 3 tablespoons of butter. You want some buttery. You want some buttery goodness in there. You do, you do, you do. And even though I got those cloves of garlic, I love me a garlicky mashed potatoes, okay? And that is what we're making, right? Some garlic mashed potatoes. I'm going to add in those mints, that minced garlic, black pepper, some more kosher salt, of course. Yes. Then we're going to come in with our parsley. Ooh, make them potatoes look so pretty. And then I have 1 cup of heavy cream. But since this is just a small amount, let's see how we go with this first, okay? And let's just continue mashing and getting everything together. Because I want mine's creamy and not too much lumps. Add your last tablespoon. So we had 4 tablespoons of butter, okay? We want that garlic. And this is going to be so nice and creamy and delicious. You do not have to mash yours up like I am doing mine here. You can go ahead and leave yours chunky. But this is how we like ours here in Jill's Comfort Zone Kitchen. All right. So I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I hope you're enjoying the video thus far. Please do make you some of these. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to go get my little handy dandy because I don't have time. Guys, I don't. To be mashing. Listen, a sister with arthritis got to go this route. Okay? Guys, there is nothing like that nice creaminess. Y'all see what we got going on there? That nice and creaminess of the mashed potatoes. Woo! I taste some. It is tasting fabulous. All right. So there we go, guys. Our mashed potatoes are done. Nice and creamy. Yeah. Bam. There you got it, guys. Your garlicky mashed potatoes. Yes. Don't that looks delicious, guys? So thank you guys for joining me on this video today. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share me out to your family and friends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another delicious recipe. And don't forget, go on over and check out Finest Wine Cooking channel and B Sugar channel. See what they have for you with this lovely collab between us. See what they're over there cooking in their kitchen, guys. And so, as I always say, stay blessed. I love you and peace out. Later. Jill Comfort Zone. Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.